All right, here we go. We're going to do Cad49, the indexing guide, number 4 on page 8-40. So we'll go ahead and get our template going. Everything's good to go. All right, this one's pretty simple. It looks like it's kind of hard, but it's not. We're going to start with doing a circle, okay? It says a radius of 2.5 for the biggest one, so let's do that. 2.5. Okay, so there's that. Now, what we want to do is we want to start in the middle. We're going to come up 1.25. But we're going to go straight. There we go. And we come straight across like this. And then we'll do the same thing this way. 1.25 and go straight up. Now, I'm going to trim these two out. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. And this one, I'm going to grab this dot, I'm going to drag up. Okay? Then I'm going to hit tab and type in 1.5, and that makes it 1.5. Now, come over this way. 0.25, and you go straight up. And I'll just mirror that to the other side. And then we'll extend this. All right, now I can get rid of that, and I'm going to trim. So, I'm going to trim these two and this. Now, we're going to use that polar array again. So I'm going to grab this, come up here to array, hit the arrow, go down to polar array, pick the center of the circle, and we're going to want 4 of those. So I'll just change that 6 to a 4, hit enter, and there we go. Make sure that is unchecked, and then hit close array. Now, I'm just going to trim. See, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then we'll put a circle in the middle. Now there's 2 of them, and they're both diameters. So we'll pick the center. First one's going to be 1.25, and the second one's going to be 2.25, I believe. And there's my front view. Okay, so, and I drew all those on the viewport layer, so let's move them over to the object line layer. There we go. Now we're better off. Okay, I'm going to change over to construction line. And I'm going to draw this line over here. And we're going to come over about 4 inches, and we go up 2.5. That's going to be my start point. Now, this thing is 1 inch in the back and then 1/4. So let's go ahead and change this over to object lines. Now, I'm going to copy this line. See, this is a green axis. That's going to give me my front spot. Now, I'll just do a line here. And that's going to go back 0.5. And then I'll just copy that over here. Now I'm going to line up here and here. Now I can drag this up and it should snap into place. There we go. This is going to go back 1. And of course that's 5 down. And then 1. And 5 up. Now I can erase these helper lines. Alright, so there's the basic shape. Now, I'm going to bring a line from here across. And from here across. And from here across. Now I'm not going to start there. I'm going to come all the way to this one. Alright, get those 3. Mirror, pick the center, come straight across to the right there. Hit no. And that's all of those. Now, center line. And then rotate, center, copy, and just go up here. And that's got my center line in there. Okay. Now my hidden lines is the last thing I need, and we'll just go from this middle circle. And this time I will start there and go across. And then I'm just going to grab that and mirror it this way. All right, so that's got that. Now we got to do is do our dimensions. So we'll change to the dimension layer. And I'm going to do a couple of linears. Here's my first one. Put that there. And go across all the way. And we're going to do a radius here. Now, I'm going to undo that real quick and go back, modify the symbols and arrows, and uncheck none on that. There we go. All right, now got another linear. We're going to go from here to there, and from here to there. Yep, I'm off. That means I have to start this whole video over. Actually, no, let's don't. We're going to show you how to fix that, okay? So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to just touch there, and I'm going to move it down to that spot. Okay, there we go. So now that's moved down, and then we'll just grab that, and then we're good to go, okay? Now on this side, and then we'll go, and that's got those two in. Now all that's left to do is just these two dimensions here, and we'll do those as diameters. And we'll put one here, and put the other one down here. All right. Now, go to our layout, double click inside, top, double click out, pick the border, right click, go to properties. And let's check here, custom. Let's see if 1-to-1 fits. It does. Go ahead and lock our display. We can close this, and we're ready to print. I love how everything is already set up. We'll preview it to make sure everything looks good, and then this is going to be Cad 49. And there we go. Now we'll save it. Cad 49. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.